Hi man, I'm Shiba-Shiba. Today let me show you about one of the coolest train in Japan. You know NANKAI rapi. Okay, then here Kansai Airport international arrivals. So let me take you to the station. Okay, let's go. There are several ways to get to the central of Osaka, but I strongly recommend you to take train and especially NANKAI line. Okay, railways. Yeah. Oh, Osaka, Kansai, Japan. Why don't you come? Okay. Okay, can you see that's Kansai Airport Station, JR and NANKAI. Okay, this is the entrance of NANKAI Railway, very near to international arrivals, so you won't get lost. And before entering, you need to purchase a ticket. Okay. Yeah, this is a ticket counter. You have a couple of choices to get to central of Osaka. The one is NANKAI line, the other is JR line. So if you would like to Osaka, Kyoto, and Shin Osaka to change to Shinkansen, it is good for you to take JR line, but I recommend you to visit Namba, Namba, deep Osaka. So you please take NANKAI line, and you have two choices. The one is to take the limited express train rapid fastest 34 minutes, and the airport express about 45 minutes. Airport express is less expensive way, but rapid is very comfortable. To passengers, those take limited express rapid. A limited express ticket is required for boarding limited express rapid. Limited express ticket, okay. Okay, let's purchase ticket. If you do not worry about using ticket machine, it's an easier way. But if you worry, you can visit a manned ticket office.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
This one, rapid beta to Namba, and I recommend you to purchase super seat. It's very really comfortable. Yeah. Adult. Super seat, car number 605, vacant, okay. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, pick up ticket, don't forget. And okay, I'm here, Kansai airport. Then let's go to okay, the central of Osaka, Namba.
南海電鉄をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。2番乗り場停車中の電車は12時26分空港急行難波行きです。停車駅は天空山、泉山、海津、島根、春田、泉大津、佐野、
Wearing a mask. Lapitologer. Bye. Okay. Lapit car number 5 and 6. Okay, let's go. Okay, here comes the limited express train, NANKAI rapi. It's cool. Yeah, really nice. It's coming. Hi, Rapid. Okay. Something like an anime character. It has a really cool face. Here comes Rapid Beta Limited Express train. Okay. I'm going to take car number 6. Okay, sorry. Okay. Car number 6, 27th. 20. Okay. Here, 27th.
Thank you for taking the Rapid Beta Limited Express. We will soon be arriving at Namba, station number NK01, our final stop. Please change trains here for the subway, Kintetsu, and Hanshin lines. Please remember to take all your belongings with you when you get off the train. Exits are located at the front of cars number 1, 3, and 5. And at the back, come cars number 2, 4, and 6. We hope that we can be of service again on your return trip.
あ、ごめんなさい。ありがとうございます。I've just arrived at the NANKAI Namba station. Yeah. How was the trip to Namba by taking NANKAI rapi? It's really cool, isn't it? Then when you come to Namba, Osaka, I recommend you to have a very nice lunch. How about going to have lunch with me? Let's go. This is the Korea Limited Express train. If you are interested in Korea-san, I will make a video about Korea-san. Please comment below if you are interested. And you can see Nankai soba. Yeah. Soba special, but please be careful if you have an allergy to soba, buckwheat noodles. Please avoid to eat them, okay? Ah, 551 whole life. Very popular Osaka food, butamang, yeah. Pork buns, yeah. No, I see, no. Okay, ticket in here. Okay, thank you. Okay. Higashi Deguchi, East exit. Okay. Okay, here, 普通の食堂Iwama. Ordinary restaurant Iwama. Today is special. I will have this one. Let's go. I study English hard, but I have few opportunities in Japan to use English and speak English. So I will make video in English. If I have some mistakes, and if you find some mistakes, please correct correct and make a comment below. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.